Alright guys, we are here at Offroad Warehouse installing the first ever production ready Armadillo Hardtop on the one and only Counts Kustoms Bronco. We're gonna jump straight into this video. We just got to Vegas, out here at Counts Kustoms. We're delivering 3 hardtops, 2 Sin City Broncos. One's going on Walter and Cynthia's Bronco right here. We got Sam parking.
Where is Coco Love?
Coco Love is... We're gonna go pick up some Coco Love. Oof. Oh, look at that emotion behind Walter.
Are you crying?
That is the best right
there. That's gonna be a slow-mo take for sure. Shout out to Adam here with Offroad Warehouse, allowing us to use their facilities for a nice and cool installation indoors, not in this Las Vegas heat. We can show Ryan and maybe Mike, he's on his way, we'll see, the hardtop, and then they can brainstorm some ideas.
Oh, I like that.
No, it's got the internal liner.
Oh, it's more that the CNC foam on there?
Exactly, yeah. The EVA foam.
That was the word I was looking for. I was just drawing a blank the whole time.
Oh yeah.
It's the stupid things that get me excited.
We're excited. This is gonna go to SEMA. I know you guys are excited. We're excited to have Ryan Evans do a custom paint job on this hardtop. Let's see how it looks at the end of this. So you bolted down the hardtop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. That would have sucked.
Special drop off.
Little install action.
Yeah, the install man, they call him, actually. His first time trying this.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Don't say that. Yeah, it is. How the hell did Sam get in front of me?
Damn, I was like, who's that motherfucker with all this shit in the bag? What the
How did that happen? As you can tell, I'm still not fully awake.
I can see it now.
Yeah.
Lost black, should be sick.
No, looks badass. It was worth the wait. Best Bronco in Vegas.
Stay tuned for this next video because we're not installing 1, not 2, but 3 hardtops on 3 Broncos this weekend, all in this next video. All right, it's 9:30, beautiful Friday morning. Walter's the first hardtop install of the day. All right, Walter texted me. He said, y'all here? I said, nope. Hold on, that's him again. I said, we're on our way. Be there. He said, slacker. He said 9:30. Whoops. Coco Love. Use code Armadillo VIP10 for 10% off. Oh, I freaking love that stuff. Anyways, so we got up at around 6. Sorry, Sam got up at around 6.
And we're rolling.
Yeah.
It's basically what Fabian said, but I'm going to say it backwards.
Where are we going rock climbing tonight?
We got a V3 on schedule that leads into a V4 and then back to V3. We'll be the whole time.
I woke up and then I went back to sleep. Got ready, helped him out, did some final installs on the hardtop, last minute touches, got everything ready. We're on our way to Offroad Warehouse now, and it's gonna be a good day. Offroad Warehouse! Shout out to Adam and Walter, because they did a lot of the communicating. I just said yes. No, over there's cool.
I'm gonna move both of those out.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be perfect, because he can pull straight in, and then can we put Walter like right behind him or right next to him? Yeah. Okay. Do you think this Tacoma's from Hawaii? I bet you it is. It's all lifted Tacomas, like all day, every day. So Walter's is gonna be that one. Do you want to still start with this, or do you want to start with Walter's?
I think start with this. Well,
You're gonna do all 3 anyway,
It's
right?
already here. Yeah.
yeah. I was trying to figure out staging. We'll want his to be on the jig at the end, but we may set up a platform for the 2 others to be sitting.
We've been stuck in the forest for 3 days. Basically, we're making this is so bright. We're getting the slant backs
With the
together
eyes
tonight.
This isn't an interrogation.
I'm okay. Sam and I are putting together 3 hardtops tonight. Well, I mean, everything's already installed. We're just kind of putting together the gull wings, the rear door. Oh, hello. Welcome to my home. Anything else?
Welding it up.
Yeah, we're gonna finish welding, sanding, blending, powder coat here in the driveway. So that way tomorrow, shout out to Offroad Warehouse. They're letting us use their facilities so we can install 3 hardtops.
Yeah, it's neat shop. Super authentic.
Gotta look buff.
Stuff everywhere. Walter's is getting yacked over here.
I gotta get built, you know, when babies are up.
Yeah, SEMA, get that extra pump in. Heck yeah.
That's Juan. Polishing guy.
What's up, Juan?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, Walter, fun to work with?
Oh, yeah. You don't drive me nuts all the time.
Yeah. Only Monday through Friday.
How many miles was it, Fabian?
1,500.
1,500.
Sam did most of the driving.
Okay, good job,
I figured you'd
Sam.
be sleeping on the road.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say I slept the whole way.
Yeah, you were responding to those
But I
messages
slept
a little
a
too
third of
quickly.
the way.
You were, I knew you were driving.
Hey, in all fairness, all the other trips I do 100%.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, that is sharp.
So what do these weigh?
We're at about 130.
The full top?
Yeah, the full top with everything.
Compared to the factory?
Compared to factories, 115.
And all aluminum, a hell of a lot stronger. Oh yeah.
So 15 pounds over?
Yeah, 15, 20. Depends on accessories. So sound level, we're about 15 to 20 decibels quieter. And OEM, so soft top, hard top, yeah.
That's what I need.
Lot quieter.
I can drive and use my phone at the same time?
Exactly.
I was wondering how you did that with this, because I've driven all of them, and shit's loud.
It's louder.
Really damn loud. Like my little Toyota is like a Rolls Royce compared to your truck.
I got a scream in there.
Boys, is this better than before?
Yes, way better.
Nice.
But, I mean, just going on the freeway was so much better.
Yeah.
It was like no noise.
Walter and Cynthia just drove off. Walter said it's like a Tesla quiet, 100% quieter. Oh my God. Cynthia said already in love with the top. Some good reviews right there. Just in.
They just left like 2 minutes ago.
Literally, like, yeah.
Like we just saw them pull off. We barely pulled this in.
They hit the
and
road.
they're already
Yeah.
saying that on their first couple seconds of driving
I
it.
should probably
They
reply
can
to them.
already tell the difference. What?
Facts.
You guys powder coat the inside too, huh?
Yeah, everything, in and out. So the inside's finished on all of them. This one.
See the inside?
This one's matte.
No, did you see the inside on this one?
It's just like the outside, right?
No, it's got the internal liner.
It's the stupid things that get me excited.
Or you can let Ryan.
You ask Walter, it's never too much gold.
Maybe.
Stand off.
I was telling him yesterday, I'm like, I need it all gold leafed.
So, what do you kind of envision your plan as far as what you want to do to this?
That's up to him.
I'm thinking gold leaf the whole thing. That was just a slight joke there. We wouldn't be done by SEMA.
A little surprise for you guys underneath here.
Oh, I like that.
I added that in there.
Hey, Ryan.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, shit. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Now she's gonna wish it was red.
We added the nickname of her Bronco, which is Clásico,
Nice.
down here in the foam. So when you hop in on the back seat, when you get in, you can actually read it. It says it on the roof panel as well in the front. So that way, when you're sitting in the front, you can see it, or the people in the back can see it in the back. So I thought it
That'd be
both.
dope.
Yeah.
Now you gotta figure out how to do laser cut, glow in the dark. So it lights up.
Easy there, Tiger.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything. And to record Ryan's reaction when he first sees it on here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Even if you guys don't use it in the video, just send it to us.
Will do.
He hasn't really seen it, like, seen it.
Like
You
on.
want me to drive the car on Monday?
Oh,
I can't see anything. I feel like aliens just getting ready to.
Probe you.
I was thinking to say it. We totally didn't package this at 2 a.m.
You guys really packed it in. All the gull wings and the rear doors, they all fit in the back.
Yeah.
Damn.
Installs? Yeah, I do installs.
Last time it was just like 3 in the morning, like just, you know, middle of the night, but at least compared to now, the weather was a little bit nicer. Now
Wait,
it's,
which time was that?
before we went to Utah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was the first install.
Yeah.
Now it's late night and it's humid and 100 degrees, so.
Yeah.
Hey.
Freaking hot. Come on, get in there. Are you mad? Yeah. He's gonna massage it in. Yo, cut.
This is gold, baby.
Oh God. Stop.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. We out here.
Perfect fit, man.
Damn. Yeah, let's cut out that crappy one and just put this good one.
Do a time lapse of the crappy one right
Or
now.
you can show both of them.
Overlap.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, it look really intense, like you're really just getting it in there.
Like that?
Yeah, oh yeah.
So we're gonna do those 3 installs tomorrow. Shout out Sin City Broncos. They're gonna get.
Oh, is that the sign?
Yeah. Shout out Sin City Broncos. Alright, let's do that up.
You can put the gull wings and rear door on after the hardtop's installed, but just to cut down on that process, it's easier to do it tonight and make it so tomorrow we just put the hardtop on and the roof panels on. And
You all have the same pattern?
No. So this one has the hex. Yours has the diamond. It's over here. And then Napoleon did.
Oh, he did orange?
And he did orange, yeah. I think he did diamond as well.
Oh, she went with the green and black?
No, that's black. Black on black.
She didn't do red?
No. No, that would have been too much. I think.
Think so?
Yeah, it would have been too much.
That's what Counts is known for, too much.
Because originally I was thinking doing the red and black, like you said.
I know, like Bob would tell me less is more all the time.
Yeah.
I like to go more. I'm thinking go leaf the whole thing. That was just a slight joke there. Then again, I work with Horny Mike all the time. He likes to be extravagant.
Yeah. No, I think the black on black was a good
Black
fit.
on black. So then just keep the interior to the black dash then? Red stitching?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna look together. I
Oh,
haven't seen it.
I
But
guess I'll show you tonight.
Get the sucker off here.
no, well,
No,
we're
I
gonna
don't.
do installation
Get it
tomorrow.
on. Nice.
wait till it gets a little hotter.
Someone was a little lazy taking the top off.
It's like your buddy cares about his paint getting scratched.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course I'm excited. It's been what? Forever.
No.
Just a few weeks.
Oh, so little birdie told me that this car no longer belongs to you.
What?
He said you should be driven by a real man, not a woman.
Sam said it.
That's alright.
That's what they said today at Counts Kustoms.
Really?
Yeah, I wonder who
I
said
know.
that.
I'll set them straight. I mean, it's okay. Everybody knows it's my car.
That is kind of true.
How do you guys like the liner and stuff too? Oh, there it is.
I love
There's
it.
the wording.
And there's so much room in my head. No, I love it. I wasn't getting crap, but you knew it was right there. Here, there's like a lot of.
It's kind of like high ceilings in a
Yes.
in a house. It's like you're not hitting your head, but it feels a lot nicer to have.
Like open.
Yeah.
Yes.
You run all the social?
Yeah.
So like Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah,
YouTube?
everything, all the YouTube videos
Sick.
and everything, yeah. But yeah, the Bronco video that you guys kind of helped out filming last year, I know you were at
Oh yeah.
floating around.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
sick.
put all that together and put it out and it turned out real well, man.
Heck yeah.
Took this thing off-roading in Utah.
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah.
We were there, we didn't see you guys much. But
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Nice.
In San Hollow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hurricane.
Yeah, he kept rubbing it in our face. He's all like, oh, your top should have been on here already. And we're like, dude,
Okay.
we're trying.
Well, here we go, man. Better late than never.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this will be cool. I'll get some filming done as it gets installed around here, and
How many hours do you think you'll have in it? Well, I guess that depends on what you guys do. But
Yeah, there's no telling. The powder coat is nice. It protects the aluminum, the corrosion. I know aluminum doesn't really corrode as well, but it does here.
Right.
Oxidizes.
Oh, like a son of a bitch in Vegas. But it is a bear to sand. So it's all up to this guy right here. I'm gonna have the easiest part of this top. There's room for leafing and a few accents if Walter and Cynthia really want that.
I guess once it's on, we'll find out.
Walter has some ideas for the side panels on the B pillars on it.
Oh, okay.
Keep that for a secret. That'll be a top secret SEMA.